Hello everybody, and perhaps you have enjoyed my first part on trigonometry, and today I am going to tell you some very interesting formula on trigonometry, and perhaps the most interesting formula for competitive exams. And remember, these are very important for competitive exams, and within few minutes I will derive all those formulas. That means some basic formulas, and perhaps these are class 9th portions I am going to tell you. And very interesting thing is that how quickly I am going to derive it, that you have to see only. And you should know the trick how I am deriving. Okay, so let's start here. Already I have told you sin theta is equal to P by H, and cos theta is equal to B by H, and tan theta is equal to P by B, and sec theta is equal to H by B, reciprocal of cos, cosec theta, reciprocal of sin, H by P, and H by this is sec is H by B, this is H by B, and cot theta equal to B by P. So these are the formulas. Already I have told you in the previous class. So see here. And already I have told you the complementary function of sin is cos, and the complementary function of tan is cot, and the complementary function of sec is cosec. Already I have told you, because cos stands for complementary. Clear? Now see here. Let us draw a regular hexagon. And regular hexagon means the angles and the sides will remain same. All the 6 sides and all the 6 angles are same. And now join the diagonals. That means opposite vertices. Clear? Then write here sin theta, and write the complementary function of here cos theta, and here tan theta, and the complementary function is cot theta, and here sec theta, and here cosec theta. Clear? And in the middle I am writing 1. Clear? So always remember, you should write in this order: sin cos, tan cot, sec cosec. You should not change the order. Sin cos, tan cot, sec cosec. If you change the order, then you cannot derive the formulas. Okay, so you should remember sin cos, tan cot, sec cosec. Sin cos, tan cot, sec cosec. Okay, sin cos, tan cot, sec cosec. Okay, so let us derive the first 6 formulas I am going to derive. What is tan theta? How to find out the value of tan theta? Tan theta is equal to, how to find out tan theta? After tan theta, in clockwise direction I am taking. So after tan theta there are 2 functions, sin and cos. So sin by cos is equal to tan theta. Sin divided by cos. See here, sin theta divided by cos theta. So how to find out sin theta? In the same process. After sin, cos and cot. So this by this. Cos theta by cot theta. And then cos theta. So after cos, this cot and cosec. So cot theta by cosec theta. Then after cos, it comes cot. Cot theta is equal to cosec by sec. Cosec theta by sec theta. Then how to find out cosec theta? Sec by tan. Sec theta by tan theta. Then another formula. Then how to find out sec? Sec theta is equal to tan by sin. Tan theta by sin theta. Clear? So let us prove any one formula. Then you can see whether this formula is correct or not. I will prove this one. Sin theta. What is the value of sin theta? P by H. divided by cos theta d by h. So HH cancel out. Remain P by B and P by E is tan theta, which is your left hand side. Clear? So these are the very important formula because your sin theta here, see here, cos theta cosec theta will be given. How to find out cos theta? Simply divide cos theta by cosec theta. Okay. Now we have got already 6 formulas. Let us see another 6 formulas. Now take it anti-clockwise direction. Cot is equal to cos by sin. Cot theta is equal to cos by sin. Same process. Then the cos theta is equal to sin by tan. Sin theta by tan theta. Then take sin theta. Your tan by sec. Tan theta by sec theta. Then take tan theta. So what is the tan theta? Sec by cosec. Sec theta by cosec theta. Then find the value of sec theta. Tell me. Sec theta is equal to cosec by cot. Cosec theta by cot theta. Then find cosec theta. What is the value of cosec theta? Cot by cos. Yes, you have got another 6 new formulas. If you remember this one only, then you can write directly. See here, any one formula I am going to prove it. This one. From RHS I am going to prove it. What is the formula for cos theta? B by H. What is the formula for sin theta? P by H. So HH cancel out. B by P and B by P, it is cot theta. So here LHS is cot theta. Clear? I have told you na, that I am going to prove in a different way. So again, see here. Another 6 formula I am going to prove it. Tan theta into cos theta. Tan theta into cos theta is equal to sin theta. This into this is equal to this one. That means, see here, I am going to tell you in a different way. What is the value of sin theta? Sin theta is equal to the product of its extremes. Product of this and this. That means tan theta into cos theta. What is the value of cos theta? Sin theta into cot theta. Then what is the value of cot theta? Cos into cosec. Cos theta into cosec theta. Then what is the value of cosec theta? Tell me. This into this. Cot theta into sec theta. Then what is the value of sec theta? Tan theta into cosec theta. Tan theta into cosec theta. Then what is the value of tan theta? Sec into sin. Yes, another 6 for now we have got it. See here, I am going to prove this one. What is the value of tan theta? P by P, clear, into what is the value of cos theta? B by H. So B cancel out. P by H and P by H is sin theta. So it's equal to sin theta, which is your LHS, left hand side. Clear? So these are the 6 formulas, we have got it. Again, another 6 formula I am going to find out. I have written here 1. That is some logic behind it. See here, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Similarly, cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan. Then cosec is equal to 1 by sin. Sec is equal to 1 by cos. And tan is equal to 1 by cot. Clear? Again we have got 6 formulas, 6 more formulas. Okay, then let's come to another formulas. Another very interesting, this into this is equal to 1. Just multiply it to its opposite. Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. This into this is equal to 1. So, diagonally opposite. Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. This into this is equal to 1. Again, tan into cot is equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So, these are the 3 more formulas. Okay, if you want to prove it, then you can also prove it. Because sin theta is equal to how much? Sin theta is equal to p by h. And cosec theta is equal to h by p. So, h cancel, p cancel is equal to 1. So, it's equal to 1. Clear? Now, see here. Again, always remember this hexagonal structure. Sin cos, tan cot, sec cosec. And in the middle write 1. Sin cos, tan cot, sec cosec, in the middle write 1. Clear? And this arrangement you should remember always. Then now, take this triangle. And this one. And this one. Clear? Now, starts in this direction. Starts from this side and end at 1. That will be in clockwise direction. And while taking clockwise direction, you should add, you should put a plus sign in between. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Because you are starting from sin. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Similarly, you are starting from 1. So 1 square is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Square of this one plus square of this one is equal to square of this one. Square of this one plus square of this one is equal to square of this one. Again, similarly square of this one, tan square theta plus square of 1, it is 1, is equal to square of sec, that means sec square theta. These are the 3 more formulas, and which I have taken in clockwise direction. Okay, so let us take in anti-clockwise direction. And while taking anti-clockwise direction, you should put minus sign in place of plus. Procedure is same, but only you have to put negative sign. 1 square minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. That means simply you can write 1. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Similarly, cosec square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. Same process, sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Clear? So these are the 6 more formulas totally, and this one is for anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Now, and already I have told you in my previous video, sin theta is equal to, because the cosine, it is the complementary function of sine. So sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, or sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Anything you can write. These are complementary functions of each other. If this is theta, this will be 90 minus theta. If this is theta, this will be 90 minus theta. So tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Already I have told you in my previous video. So these are the formulas which you have to remember, so that you can do very simple questions which you are going to face in the competitive exams. That means in NDA, staff selection, banking, and CGL, etc. Clear? And if you remember these formulas, it will be very easy for you. And in my next video, I am going to tell you if Sin theta will be given. How to find out tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta, cot theta. Or if any one value will be given, so how to find out the other values? And whether an angle, that means tan 45 or tan 120 or tan 1155 or sine of anything, whether it is positive or negative, whether that value is positive or negative, and how to find out, how to convert it to acute angles. That means if sine 1255 is given, how to find out or how to convert it to acute angle form? Because 1200 something or 1100 something, it is not acute angle. So you have to convert that angle to acute angle form. So how to convert it? Okay. So let's enjoy and wait for my second video, third video. Okay. That means for next video. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.